Hello my friends, today I want to introduce you a marvelous piece of engineering from Nikon. It is AI powered lens. It is fully mechanical, no electricity at all, no wires, no batteries, but AI powered lenses. Let's see. There is this lens paired with my favorite Nikon D40 camera body, and let's take a closer look. I think this lens was manufactured about 40 or 60 years ago, but even at that time it has built-in AI. Look how it's awesome. It's fully metal, fully mechanical, and AI powered. Let's do some shots with this lens. Let's set up a camera first. First of all, I will put my camera into manual mode, and I will put aperture ring on the lens to 8, because I'm going to do some landscaping today. And about focus, there is a focus scale on the lens and there is some colored marks. And for example, if I want to shoot at aperture 8, it is pink mark. Everything between two pin mark on the scale would be in focus. So I'm going to put infinity mark, and I will have 2 meters in this range. So everything between 2 meters and infinity would be in focus. Okay, let's go shooting. So my friends, there is a lake I want to shoot. At this moment we set up a focus distance, the aperture, and what about the shutter speed? For having a shutter speed set up properly, I will do several shots and see what is the best. Okay, the first shot I will do with shutter speed 1/2000. And I see a histogram of this shot is moved to left too much. It means we have our shot underexposed. Let's have something slower. I will try to have 100. And at this histogram we see that our shot is overexposed. So I will try to use something in the middle, like 1/500. Okay, it looks much better, but I will try one more shot. Okay, and now at 1/640 I see it is exposed as I want. So I will do several more shots with the same shutter speed. So at this moment I'm trying to focus on the central pillar of the composition, and I have everything behind this pillar and a little before this pillar to me focus it sharp enough. So guys, have a nice shot. The best way shooting with manual lenses is a method of trials and errors. You shoot several shots with different settings and see what is better for you.